Copper is, as is quite well known already, it's got high conductivity, high thermal capacities, very ductile, good tensile strength, good windability. Because of that, you can have more compact equipments, relatively easy to work with. I think that's primarily about winding wires.
Electrical safety should be taken care everywhere. We are predominantly mainly very strong into building wire. So building wire, the average size when we started was say like 1.35 square mm. Now then it has gone up to 1.82 square mm as an average. Now it's going up to 2.1 square mm. So because of this, the use of copper is also increasing and the safety factor is also increasing. I request everyone to go for the global international approval in wire and cable industries. This helps into improvement of your quality and the culture of the company. Like we are the only company in the world which got a 29 international approval for single factory. So this gives a lot of privilege when we talk to people, and this creates a brand for India. It will help our Prime Minister vision for Make in India also.
See, from the value to the customer perspective, as far as we as a part of socially responsible Tata Group, and a part of that Tata Group is a Voltas. So we have always looked from giving the customer a better value proposition. We initially started with the copper tube of say ½ inch. Over a period, the improvement in the copper tubes has helped us to come down from that ½ inch diameter tubes to 3/8 inch diameter, which is roughly around 35 to 40% reduction in the copper size. Over the period, this the improvement in copper tubes has helped us to reduce at many places from 3/8 to 7 mm also. And we are working on improving our products or developing our products using these 7 mm tubes, which are under R&D stage as of right now. And we are quite sure that we will be able to reduce the copper content and improve the effectiveness. This is solely possible because of the improving effectiveness of the copper tubes and the development which has come up in the copper tube.
The role of copper, if you would say, that is affecting us, or in the sense that the way in which we look at copper is its strong connect with power quality, which has been our strong suit or forte since the last 17 years. When you have copper as one of the significant ingredients of most of your switch gears, of your bus bars, of your cables, of your transformers, it ensures that a lot of its properties, which are low resistivity or good thermal conductivity, flexibility, all of these play a significant role in affecting power quality at some point or other. So be it a failure, malfunction of a sensitive equipment which the customer is being faced to, and where we have to give upon a solution, a simple solution like an isolation transformer. The characteristics of that isolation transformer in terms of its footprint, in terms of its size, in terms of its conductivity, in terms of the heat loss that it gives in the system, or the efficiency that it brings or adds in the system, copper does play a significant role. We need large, high amperage conductors to be utilized, which run into thousands of amperes and if not tens of meters. And at all these places, there is no other alternative than a flexible copper joint or conductor that can do the solution, the best way in which we would like our customers to have it.
There are different versions of motors like IE1, IE2, IE3 and IE4. We worked on IE3 and IE4. We decided to work on these two type of motors. But looking at the cost and the ROI, we decided to go with IE3 motors, because we compared cost versus the savings in terms of kWh which we are getting from IE3 and IE4 motor, and the investment required. We decided we will go with IE3 motors instead of IE4. For long term, we should not think about the initial cost, and that is what we did. We planned around 70 motors replacement in this year, and out of that 45 we are already replaced.
Eco-friendly and climate change is a big game changer, and people should focus from their inner side. And if we all work together, I think so, it will be good for the entire earth and environment.
My name is Deepak Mehta. I am one of the directors of Precision Wires India Limited.
I'm Rajan Mehta, Head Consulting and Efficient Energy Consulting Private Limited.
Myself, Sri Gopal Kapra. I am the Managing Director and President of RR Global. I am also the President of IMA.
I'm Sachin Jagtap, working with Sigma since last 6 years.
This is Amol Pradhan from Voltas.
We are the largest copper user in this country. We consume almost 5,500 tons per month, and you can say that we are a copper people.
One India.
One vision.
Copper in technology.
Innovation
And transformation.